Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Little Ones Care. Today we are going to learn speech on Independence Day. So let's start. Good morning to all respected teachers, parents and dear friends, and wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I, Jayashree, would like to speak few lines on Independence Day. As we all know that India got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British rule. Independence Day is the most significant day in the history of Indian because it reminds us of the bravery and struggle of our freedom fighters. On this day we pay homage to our fighters who fought and gave up their lives for our independence. Today, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. For our country, India, several brave hearts have fought for our liberation and gave immeasurable sacrifices. Initially, India was described as Sone ki Chidiya due to the excess of resources and minerals found in India. But the British government took away everything by implementing divide and rule policy. Freedom fighters thought that it would have to end, otherwise our generation will live to slavery in the future too. Freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. made sacrifices of their life to provide freedom to us, so now it's our duty to be responsible citizens. They devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. On this day, flag hosting ceremonies, parades by armed forces and school children etc. held in different parts of country. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and addressed the nation with a speech, and after that national anthem is sung by all. On this occasion of independence, our eyes become moist by remembering those great people. In India, patriotism is a feeling that comes from inside. It is necessary for our new generation to know the importance of patriotism, sacrifices given by our leader, freedom fighters and soldiers. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on the borders to protect our country. I urge all my dear friends not to misuse the freedom. Freedom is a gift and must be cherished. Our forefathers fought bravely to gain it for us. This year, celebrate Independence Day at your home and don't step out of the house without having any valid reason. Don't forget the hard work and the sacrifices of our health workers, doctors, and every person who has been working so dedicated to keeping us safe. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you all for listening to me. Bye bye and take care.